Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail inbox always feels cluttered and you're constantly running out of storage, today's guide is going to be a game changer. I'm going to show you how to sort your Gmail inbox by attachment size. Yes, you heard that right. This trick will help you quickly find those massive emails weighing down your account so you can declutter and free up valuable space. Stick with me until the end because once you know this, you'll never go back to scrolling endlessly. First, let's talk about the problem. Gmail gives us a lot of space, but big attachments can add up fast: photos, videos, PDFs, you name it. Unfortunately, Gmail doesn't have a neat little sort by size button, but here's the good news. With one simple search trick, you can instantly filter out emails with attachments over a certain size. Here's how it works. Open Gmail on your computer. While you can do this on mobile, the desktop version makes things way easier to manage. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into it. Type this special search command. Has attachment larger. 5 megabytes. This will show you every email with attachments bigger than 5 megabytes. Want to be more specific? Change the number. For example, type larger colon 10 MB or even larger colon 20 MB. Just make sure there's no space between the number and MB. Once you press enter, Gmail will filter and display only the emails that meet your size limit. And just like that, you found the inbox heavyweights. Now, what should you do next? If your goal is to free up space, start by deleting the emails you don't need anymore. Before you delete, though, double-check attachments you might want to save. You can download them directly to your computer by clicking the little download icon next to the file. This way, you're keeping what matters and saying goodbye to the clutter. This simple trick gives you control over your Gmail storage. No more wasting time scrolling endlessly. You'll be able to quickly find, download, or delete large attachments, making your inbox faster, lighter, and easier to manage. And here's a pro tip. Don't wait until Gmail tells you you're out of space. Run this search every once in a while and keep things tidy before it becomes a problem. And that's it. That's how you sort your Gmail inbox by attachment size in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple digital hacks, and check out the description for more tips you'll actually use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.